So Jeevan Vidya is a new philosophy which has been given by Sri Nagaraj, who lived in Amarkantak, and his life was between 1920 to 2016. Jeevan Vidya is a way of understanding this world and understanding yourself and understanding the fact what one has to do in this world. It is basically answering the questions of what am I, what is this world, and what is meaningful living or a happy living. It is not a philosophy which has do's and don'ts. It talks about basic principles governing what is happening in this world. So one can understand those principles and then make a decision to live in harmony. So it starts giving you a framework with which you can make sense of life, of various issues, whether these are interpersonal issues, whether these are issues within the family, within the community, whether the issues are with the society, or whether it is the issues with the nature. So the main purpose of this philosophy, if I were to say it in another way, was that it is a proposal for living in harmony in the human relationships and human nature relationships. Our problems are because we do not understand ourselves, and therefore internally we do not have any harmony. We don't have the clarity of mind which we call in Jeevan Vidya as resolution. And in absence of that, whatever we do externally, in the external environment, it creates problems. So whatever explorations some of us have done of this philosophy, it has given us hope that no, it is possible to live in harmony with fellow human beings as well as with nature. And not only live, we can actually flourish and thrive with full happiness. So who should attend this workshop? Somebody who's seeking any clarity of mind on any issue. This philosophy covers all of them. So age doesn't matter, background doesn't matter, education doesn't matter. All that matters is are you seeking answers, and it will help you.